It's raining. Do it quickly. Otherwise it's gonna be so wet.
Oh my gosh. It's harder than it looks.
You thought it will be, yes. Will you be able to actually do that?
Yes.
Okay.
I am an expert at folding paper cranes.
Oh yes, I know. I still have all your cranes. I have to put them on a string and let them be
It's
in the
soaked
air.
already.
Uh-oh. That's tricky. I don't want to wet my camera.
No, you'll be fine.
That's a morning shower for Danielle.
The only time it's probably gonna rain this week. Okay, one side done. Whew. Hope this paper doesn't break. Woo. Okay. Got the flappy parts down.
Yes.
Okay,
You did it.
I have just completed one soggy pink and blue paper crane in the rain.
Hooray!
Thank you, Misha Collins. Oh gosh.